Hey, look at this. VEVOR makes cases for computers. Now, comes with already pre-set up fans in here, 3 of them already. You got 3.0. You got your reset, your power on, 2 USBs type A's, and then your microphone and your headset, and of course the power button, right? This is one for the RGB lighting, not for reset, all right? Power button, RGB lighting, and reset. So we're gonna set this up. I like that everything, all the meshes come out easily, and you got a lot of space in here. You can actually set it up for an actual a NAS drive in here, and maybe we're gonna do that too. We might do that. We're thinking about it. But first of all, we're gonna set this up today and set up a motherboard with it and to get it going. Now, I do want to put a water cooling block, but I don't think I'm gonna have the space unless I remove the rack. So we're gonna see if we could actually remove the rack, or we're gonna have to keep it on. But first of all, let's take a look at the whole system. Let's take it apart. It does have threaded screws here. Take them off. Let's take a look at the actual case itself in the back, right? Like I said, you have for a SATA drive here, either the large or a mechanical drive, large formats, all right, 3.5 or higher, 72 RPMs. You can set up, pre-connected all the fans. That means even the back fan and the 3 fans including the front. Everything's pre-set up. So you are going to need power supply for an older system, or old, not the SATA connection. All right. Now let's take out the front glass too. We're going to try to see if we can remove it. Oh, I see it. There's one more. So there's one more screw on the side. I'm going to take this off so you can see the fans. And it's right here. Yep. If you ever want to use this, you can use it for hard drives. Alright. Not gonna need it. Oh, shield goes first. And I'm gonna make sure I'm facing the right way. Am I? No. These are part of the startups, LED lights. So I'm going to separate those first, all the little thin ones. All right, audio, and then USB. We're going to set up now the rest of the stuff. All right, I just set up the actual jumpers, but I'm going to show you something. Most motherboards do have them listed right next to them or on them. So just be alert or use the manual, right? And not, they do have online menus for this, right? Right now we're ready to set this up, and let's mock it up first. So I'm gonna see how we're gonna do it on this side, or I think this side. I think it's gonna have to go on this side right here. And we're ready to go. I mean, it comes with thermal grease already. One time we're gonna do an X on this one if we can. All right, so we got the thermal grease. Now there's no turning back, so that's it. Let's go and turn it on, and we're gonna do some testing too, on not testing on the machine because it's an older motherboard. I use it for testing, but I want to see the airflow on this one because this is a larger case and I do like it. But to be honest with you, I'm trying to minimize myself into something smaller, and this is good. I could use the rack space to make a NAS drive, maybe host a lot of files in here. So, and it's a little dusty because I had it here for quite a while. I like they came with all these fans, including the back fan too, and I hope I plugged everything in. We'll find out right now as soon as I run the test. So let's go ahead and test it out and turn it on for the first time. So we're gonna do a smoke test in here, and I'm gonna turn it on right now so you guys can see some of the smoke. Look at the airflow on this machine, and then in here goes up, goes back out. It's coming up to the top. Look at that. Coming on the top. It's dispersing really good. the back. This is blowing in. Last try. So I like this. I like this right here. Look at this, how sucking all the air. So really good. And then dispersing. So it's taking really good. All right, overall, I like the flow of the system. It's a large case, beautiful shell. Everything's removable. I like that it comes with all these pieces that you can remove. Plenty of buttons on the top so you can actually plug things in here and have everything running. Big, large space for your water block on the top. Water cooling system. Large space for GPUs. Plenty of space for more fans. It comes with 3 additional fans that you don't have to worry about. Gets well good air on these 3 large fans. They're 120s, but you can get larger ones if you want. Optional. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.